Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making beans cake known as Akara here in Nigeria. So let's get right into the video. So for my ingredients, I already have my washed beans, some scotch bonnet pepper and some bell pepper, just one bell pepper anyway, and some chopped onions as well. I actually chopped some of the scotch bonnet pepper because I'm going to add that after blending these other ingredients in the bowl. So let's get right into blending the ingredients. So now I'm going to use my blender and I will blend these ingredients until smooth to my preference. So I'm just going to, I added a little water to it anyways, so I'm just going to blend it. So guys, I'm done blending now. If you can see the color of my akara, blended akara or blended beans cake, sorry, it's a little bit pinkish in color, and I would say that is as a result of the one bell pepper I added to the bean cake. So I'm just going to add some salt, and then I will add my chopped scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm going to use my hand mixer and mix this properly until it doubles in size. Guys, I'm done mixing now, so I will just start frying, and I'm going to use my spoon to measure while frying. So in a pot I added some oil and I threw in some onion as well, just to flavor my akara a little bit, and then I will start frying my akara. So I'm actually using a spoon just because I want it in smaller sizes and not really big. So guys, I just wanted you to know that I'm actually frying this akara on a low heat. It's very important for you to note that whenever you're frying or cooking, whatever, it's best to cook on a low heat. So I'm actually frying on a low heat, and I'm just going to let one side of the akara fry until it's a little bit golden brown, and then I will flip to the other side and let it fry as well until it's golden brown before I take it out and fry the remaining batch. Guys, look how golden brown our akara looks now. So this batch is ready, so I'm just going to take this out and set it aside while we fry the rest. I will see you when we are done frying. So guys, we're done frying our akara now. So you can see how fluffy our akara looks. I'm just going to open one just for you to see. Look how fluffy it is. And you can also see the chopped scotch bonnet pepper I added to it. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, share this video, hit the like button or the thumbs button, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.